Intellectual property. IP, or intellectual property, refers to the protections of tangible inventions, whether they be what are considered creative, literary, artistic works, marks that are going to be used in trade or trademarks, or specific inventions that are useful and non-obvious that you have designed, and engineered, which are going to be patents. If you want to file for IP in the US, that can end up being a very, very expensive and predatory process. For example, if you want to file a patent, that can get up into the thousands of dollars just based on them having a lot of fees. You have a fee to file your application, you have a search fee for them to look up and find out whether your creation is already patented. You have a fee to just examine your application. There's fees to issue and publish the patent once it's certified. You have maintenance fees, every so many years. There's several thousands of dollars. So it can get up into several thousand to tens of thousands of dollars to get and maintain your patent. If you have to go through extra steps of petitioning and possibly having to go through a trial or even appeal to get your patent through, it can get up into possibly $100,000, to get a patent, secured. And all in between that process, if you have something that is really interesting, it might get stolen. But if you have your own jurisdiction that is more favorable to inventors, it can be a smoother, less expensive process. So right now, the Aboriginal Republic of North America has an intellectual property office. So you can file your copyright, trademark, or patent with us now for less than $1,000. You can file any of those three, categories of IP. So if you're interested, you can reach out to us, reach out to one of our jurists and see about getting that done. For trademarks, you still want to file in the states that you're going to be operating in. It might be one or two of them, it might be all of them. With patents, it's going to depend on if you want to utilize that invention in contract in the USA jurisdiction. So it'll depend on that. But the point is, having your own jurisdiction, your own indigenous jurisdiction, will solve a lot of these problems, because you can go ahead and sign up to get protections by a government that is by and for your people. But it's good to remember, even if you don't register these creations, you do gain common law rights and protections immediately upon the recorded timestamp of your invention.